Otu bayana de massage fruits. Really, and that if you want, I will kill men to improve our health. I think we can, but I like something like this diabetes.
Okay, thank you for that question. Environment mmadụ chọtara onwe ya, environment you find yourself na contribute to the type of food you eat. Otu i kwuru now, environment you find onwe gị ga-eme ị ga-ahụmacha much fruit to be eating. In that case, you make water your friend. Water is your friend in that case. Take a lot of water. On daily basis, your system needs water, but on need the jam pack you may overload with water. And I systematically. Oh, we have systematically like pattern jam each other in na assume you with mmiri na ọ bụrụ na mmadụ nọ na-ede mgbe nọ na-aṅụ mmiri a aga m ewere mmiri ala isi mepeche ya otu a ma wụbacha ha niile nọ na at once. It's not good. M ga-aṅụcha ya now, but aga m aṅụcha ya at once. You don't overload your kidneys with water, but take a lot of water. Ị chọrọ ịṅụ na ị nwere ike iweta ya nke a na imepeti ya gị ṅụtụ small ya fọdụ gị dosekwa come to down. Game on to another one. Come to that. Already when pure water or ndị na-aṅụ mmiri abatara na stream. Just take it regularly. Take water regularly. So when you have fruit to take, that water na take regularly. Ọ ga-emezi gị ahụ ga-adịrị hydrated. Ahụ ga-adịrị hydrated. Then na ihe ọ gị fruit, ị ga-ahụkwa vegetable. Ugu nọ everywhere. So my mother used to be on a man and buy the offer chaya for is for ya for mancham mogo motas for kata like this. I am early morning before you hear about no. I'm not to I am you will give me twice a week. You are living good. Those vegetables, if for ya gain moya so eat it frequently more than you eat all this already processed food, bread, indomie. All those things are not food. Indomie, rice. I will get again real once a while in a day. Even the rice of food in a day. It's okay now. Only day we have with the rice. I really am. People rice. People rice. Why? Why? Or when naturally real like that, make a sure and vegetable issue eating rice down, Iworogo, garnish here, open stew, eating over, Iria or Iworogo, Iria, open up your head. Now normalize everything in your system. Then you take a lot of water. Thank you.